Imagine you are ready to head out for an important meeting. You turn the key, and your engine just refuses to wake up or starts bucking like a wild horse the moment it finally fires over. That frustrating check engine light pops up and suddenly you are staring at a P0368 code, which essentially means your car is having a major communication breakdown. This is a generic powertrain code that has been haunting owners of vehicles like Volkswagen, Kia, Hyundai, Toyota, and Ford since 2003. But it can honestly strike any make or model out there. Your engine is basically trying to tell you that the signal from Camshaft Position Sensor B on bank 1 is missing, usually right when you are trying to start the engine. Think of bank 1 as the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 lives. This little sensor is crucial because the PICM uses it to synchronize the fuel injectors and make sure the crankshaft timing is perfect. If the signal is gone, the computer is essentially flying blind. Before you go out and buy a new sensor, you should always check for any technical service bulletins, because sometimes a simple computer reprogram is all you need. If that is not the case, you need to get under the hood and find those sensors. You are looking for physical damage like chafed wires, melted plastic, or those nasty green corroded terminals inside the connectors. You can use some electrical contact cleaner or even 91% rubbing alcohol with a plastic brush to get those connections shiny again. This code usually happens with a 3-wire Hall effect sensor. So you will want to grab your DeVix OIM and check for a steady 5-volt or 12-volt power supply depending on your specific car. If you see 12 volts when there should be 5, you might have a short or a bad PIM. Don't forget to test the ground circuit using a test light connected to the positive battery terminal. If the light does not glow when you touch the ground wire, you have found your broken link. Wiggling the harness while watching your meter is a pro tip to find those annoying intermittent breaks in the wire that only happen when the engine vibrates. Taking these steps one by one will save you a ton of money and get your ride back to being reliable again.